When you're 3D printing for business, finding a balance between speed and quality can be a challenge. And when you have tight production deadlines, playing with settings and running test prints isn't an option. That's why we've introduced a substantial improvement to our slicing workflow in Ultimaker Cura: intent profiles. Whether your intent is speed, accuracy, or visual quality, spend less time configuring settings and more time innovating. Intent profiles show the true value of 3D printing and will speed up adoption within your company by simplifying the print preparation workflow, saving significant time, and producing the results you need for a wide range of applications. Print quick iterations of your initial prototypes, visual concept models, or parts with strict engineering tolerances, all at the click of a button. Here's how it works. Start by loading a 3D model on the build plate. To do this, you can click the Open File button at the top left corner of the screen, or you can simply drag and drop your model onto the build plate. Intent profiles are available for common configurations. We'll use an Ultimaker S5 loaded with tough PLA and PVA with 0.4mm print cores. Open the Settings panel to choose a printing strategy. Available intent profiles automatically show below the default profile. To print parts with high-quality visual characteristics, use the Visual Quality profile. To print very accurate models with tighter tolerances, use the Engineering profile. To print designs in the shortest time possible, use the Draft profile. The software will automatically configure all the necessary settings to suit the intent. We want our initial prototype printed quickly. As the default profile isn't intended for quick results, the print will take significant time to finish. As a solution, let's try slicing with the Draft Intent profile. Already you can see that using this intent profile has cut the print time significantly. All we need to do now is hit print. By using the Draft Intent profile, we can validate the concept faster, accelerating your product development cycle. That's it. We've prepared a print using an intent profile. Discover the power of intent profiles for yourself by downloading the latest version of Ultimaker Cura today. For in-depth information about intent profiles, please visit the Ultimaker Cura support pages on our website. Thank you for choosing Ultimaker.